Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have a new artist here on Goran Guitar, pretty sure about that. Clever, I think that is how you pronounce his name. Sandcastles, that's the song. And I really like this Clever man. He has a nice voice, I really like that voice, and this is a guitar song, 100% fits guitar very, very well. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song, and yeah, Sandcastles, about being left behind or something like that, I think is the message. Anyway, let's go into this specific song. So we're gonna do that with that and capo. All right, so with that we have D, A, B minor, and G. Let's take a look at the chords. Starting now with D, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, open E. B minor, it's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, so 5 strings there. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is G, and it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. All right, so there we have all the tools. Now the strumming. So if you keep that G, one string around will be like this. Okay, so it's very common. It's down, 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 up. Okay, so I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings, and I kind of answer with down, down, up on the higher mid area. So bass, bass, top, top, top. All right, that's one string around. A couple of rounds goes. So on. All right, but we need to shift some chords sometimes, and that's what we're gonna do. Like I mentioned before, we had the same chord progression, D, A, B minor, and G, and you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and that's it. So D2, A2, B minor 2, G2, a couple of rounds sounds like this. Alright, a great song from Clever, Sandcastles. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this song or this artist, feel free to subscribe to this channel, Goran Guitar, because he will be back for sure. And yeah, I really appreciate your help as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.